you gotta stop that. Okay, this person's gone crazy. What? What is up, people? Welcome to the vlog. It's 31st. I'm at Miku's place, by the way.
What up? What up?
This is a very unplanned vlog, but it's 31st, so it has to be done. We are heading to Colaba. Miku said the streets over there look like it's some sort of a carnival going on the 31st night. So let's hope, but he has gone 4 years back, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna stay the same way. Let's see what happens. As of now, our cab is down. By the way, the fro looks lit. I've just tied it up because it's very difficult to manage. It's on the face.
What up? What up?
Yeah!
It's gonna be New Year's, man.
New Year's.
New Year's Eve. We gotta make everything count, but I suck at maths.
So we are in the cab right now. I think we should reach in an hour. Yeah, in another hour.
Considering the nature of the traffic.
The nature of the traffic. Yeah, I mean the Mumbai traffic is known to be very notorious. So let's hope we don't find too much traffic. But yeah, let's see. It's 31st, so you never know, man. You never know.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. I think what a dream is what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. I think what a dream is what you make it. Always try to give.
Colaba, what is up?
This is not even Colaba, bro.
This
This is CST.
CST. Okay, not Colaba exactly, but CST. We are heading to have some tea. So we are walking towards this very famous old Parsi. Is it a Parsi joint?
Old.
Yeah, very old. So I think I have been here when I don't know, during my college time. I don't even remember if that's the same place.
I don't think you'll be allowed to shoot.
I don't think I'm allowed to shoot. So that's the place, by the way. Kiani.co. So I asked the guy, he allowed me to shoot. Thankfully, very cool. We got some tea and some bun maska. That's bread and butter. That's it. But it's good. I mean, it's their homemade butter. So one of our other friend is also joining. His name is Robert. With him, where is he exactly?
He's in the train. He's on his way. Bun maska, bro.
After how long are you having this?
Maybe like 2 months, 3 months. Maybe.
So I think you used to chill here a lot.
Yeah, my college is Hinduja College, which is located in Chorni Road, and this whole area is very, interlinked. You can be around many places at the same time. It's quite small. So yeah, we would come here. We'd have this only. We won't order anything in large amount. This is what we have. This is the staple food, and this is what they're known for.
Look at that.
Clumsy as a mother. Yeah.
So done with our chai and bun maska. By the way, it's 8:45. We don't really have anything planned as such. We don't really know where exactly we're gonna go. I think let's just go with the flow. It's all in the 31st year-end spirit.
Oh my god! How do you get this volume?
I already got my first pro fan.
This is so cool!
Thanks, yeah.
Where are you from?
New Bombay, Airoli. Do you know the place?
I know! Even though I live in South Bombay. Oh yeah, there's another one.
Look what's happening.
24 years old.
There's a violation to my hair going on right now.
This guy.
You gotta stop that. Okay, this person's gone crazy. What?
Alright.
No, thank you at all.
Seems fine. I got you back, Holmes.
Yeah, bro. You're my buddy, bro. You're my buddy for tonight. You gotta be like bodyguarding me and stuff.
This sucks.
Like
This job sucks.
Yeah. So by the way, we are at Sunlight. It's a very old, famous restaurant. We used to come here during our college days. We are like, why don't we just sit here, have some food and then, just chill for a while, and then let's see what happens when the New Year strikes.
Guess what? 2 hours waiting.
Oh man, I mean, are you freaking serious, bro? Like
2 hours waiting.
these are the amount of people. As you can see, there are a lot of people over here. There are a lot of people over there. Suddenly, the place looks pretty lit.
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 Not. I hope nothing goes literal, but it's lit so far.
Yeah. So Robert is on his way. Miku's friend. So hopefully he can just sort something out. I think he knows some people. This guy knows some people around.
Right
Let's
now,
see.
I see the chances of using your connections is like my butt.
My YouTube channel name is Elvis Lal.
Elvis Lal.
Yeah, bro.
Amazing, dude.
So I'm already getting this guy. So you can.
Oh, this is you, dude.
Yeah, that's me. So you gotta subscribe, bro, right now.
I'm your 13th subscriber, dude.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you, Elvis.
Thank you so much, bro.
What's your
Thank
name?
you. What's your name?
I'm Rahul.
Rahul.
Nice to meet you.
Nice, bro. Thank you so much. Gained 1 subscriber. Yeah. My hair got molested, as you saw. Not cool. Not cool at all, bro.
That's the girl that molested your hair.
Oh, so yeah. So that's the girl. If you can see, she's the one who molested my hair. Okay, they're out. See what? There. Not cool. Well, it's 9:20 as of now. People are already like the New Year's done. So many people are like drunk, left, right, and center, falling,
Oh, that.
screaming.
By the way, who was hanging out with this guy's hair. Oh, she f***ed up. She took I don't know, a street fight with some random guy.
Oh yeah.
She's yelling.
Why do you want to just screw yourself up before even the New Year begins? That's your motive, right? To celebrate New Year. So finally Robert is here. He's just gone inside. I think we are getting the place to sit. What Miku told me is that the place is pretty dark, so I don't think I can vlog. But let's see, I'll try. We are done with sunlight. I'm sorry I could not vlog over there because there was absolutely no light and it was so congested. Anyways, we are at Colaba right now. It's about to be 12 and I'm gonna do the countdown very soon. Miku and Robert, they are on their way. By the way, yeah, they both are Vinod. I met them for the first time, but however, they are Miku and Robert's friend, I believe. Yeah. Look at the streets of Colaba. It looks lit, bro. It's crazy. It's awesome. The streets looks pretty amazing. The street right over there. So Miku and Robert are over here. That's Robert. You haven't met him yet, but that's Robert. Are you ready for 2018, bro?
I'm already doing Robert, man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Today, I think it's been an hour since 12 o'clock. Seems pretty mellow because 4 years back, यहाँ पे there was no place to even move.
Yeah?
Yeah. And
Colaba's
you just
gonna-
saw a cop. I wished him Happy New Year and everything. He knows we bought alcohol. He didn't say to us. This is how Colaba is at this time of the year, man. They don't say. They know we're going down.
So, Vinod is very tired. He's leaving. I'm gonna see you very soon, bro. Hey, bro.
My God, I sent you.
What is happening, bro? What is happening?
And the guy says the champion honestly.
What? See you in 19.
Yeah.
Listen up.
Yes. Sure.
Same place. Same. We'll do the same.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Go!
Robert, bro, you killed it, bro. You freaking killed it, man. Oh, whistles all around. All right, we gotta leave. Cops are just like whistling at us. So we are moving towards Leopold. No, I think it's Monica. Regal. What is your New Year resolution?
Mine?
Yep.
Oh my god. No resolutions. That's the only resolution, bro.
Perfect. I think I always believe in that. No resolutions. Seems to work out pretty fine. Oh, by the way, I was just walking by and these lovely people wanted to take my photo. However, I'm gonna tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, of course.
Too much picture time. There are like so many people just clicking my photos. This guy needs to start his hair. Yeah, he needs to do something about his hair. Yeah. Oh,
I don't even have a confidence of growing the hair and look good as you look, man.
Thank you so much, man. We're done with Kolaba. We are heading to eat something. We are at Marine Drive. So we're going to Walk Express.
Please.
So that's Hakka noodles and prawns. Oh my
Please,
freaking god,
सब
bro.
लोग टूट पड़ो.
Heavenly, right?
Food is life.
So we had an amazing dinner at Walk Express.
Yes, man.
Yeah, it was.
Rather
it was
breakfast. Rather breakfast.
Yeah, it's about 5 a.m. Yeah.
5 a.m. 2018, start of 2018, 4 hours of 2018 was awesome. So you can make out
Definitely.
how it's gonna be.
Definitely.
How it's gonna be.
I think we had an awesome start to 2018 and a lot of things to be done in this year. 2017, well, not really any regrets, but yeah, I'm at least happy that I've taken the step to start this vlog. So, well, that's a wrap for this 2017 vlog. 2018, we are gonna be full freaking power, bro. Before I sign off, if you like this video, please like, share, and just spread the love. Why not, right?
man.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. You're gonna see some awesome content coming in 2018. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.